Welcome back to step number 2 in our shortcuts for mass emails video series. In this step, I'm going to be showing you how to upload your contacts. Now, if you have not already watched video number 1, I suggest you pause this video and go and watch that video because it has to be done in a sequence in order for it to make any sense. So if you haven't watched video number 1, go ahead and pause this video and go and watch video number 1. If you have watched it, then we are about to just proceed on. So now that I am in this area right here, I'm going to go and I'm going to click on contacts and I'm going to click on import contacts. And I have two ways of actually importing contacts. I can literally just copy and paste, or I can upload a file. You could click on upload file, choose a file right here. And then once you choose a file, you said, I give my word that my list is permission based and is in accordance to anti-spam policy. Like I said, this is shortcuts for mass emailing, but it's not shortcuts for sending spam. So we're operating under the assumption that you are going to be sending permission based emails. So once I have this, then I'll just click on import. Okay, so now that I am on this page, what this will do is I'll click first row contains header. I'll click on this and show all the different the data that I have. As you can see, it's demo data here. I will make sure that I am matching up the header rows to the actual information that I am importing. So I'll click on street, click on city, do the same thing for state to make sure that they're all matching up so I can have this data available to merge later on. So once I have everything set how I want it, then I will go ahead and click on next here. Okay, so now our list has been imported. Depending on the size of the list that you're importing, you may get this message that the compliance department needs to verify your list before you're able to start sending messages, and it usually takes about 7 hours or 7 business hours, so it occurs pretty quickly. This doesn't always come up, but again, depending on the size of the list that you're importing, in this case I imported a list that was almost 1,000 names, so that's the reason why this came up. But again, it's nothing to worry about. They will look at it, verify the list is good, and then it will be able to start sending emails. Okay, so if you can see right here, the contact list has been added, and it actually went through and it says 984 emails were good, 16 were inactive. So the vast majority of the emails that I imported are now available for use. Okay, so in the next video, I'm going to walk you through how to create and personalize your email messages. So we're going to be writing one email message and then merging it with the unique information that we just imported: name, email, a city address. So I'll see you in the next video. Welcome back to step number 3 in our shortcuts for mass emails video series. Now in this step, I'm going to be going through how to write and personalize your emails. Okay, so if you recall, in the previous video we showed you how to upload your contacts, and this is where these contacts came from. Okay, so now that you are all caught up, we're going to click on